Hi, I'm Doug Shepard, and I want to tell you about my Blue Sky embroidery machine. I've been repairing industrial embroidery machines since 1992. I started my own company, Advantage Inc., in 2002 in Venice, Florida for repairing embroidery machines. I have been certified on most of the big brand names and others. The Blue Sky embroidery machine is my own creation, a machine I wanted to make for years. I fully stand behind my machine, and we want to tell you about some of the great features.
One of the many features are the laser light that is used for our trace feature and comes on each machine. Doug has had to repair so many machines when the pressure foot hit the hoop while it's running design. This laser light will trace out the design and help you know if you have the right hoop and correct positioning inside the hoop. You can adjust the laser easily with your hands.
Alright, I'm going to show you where the laser light is featured. We're on a needle you can't see, so I'm going to move this needle over for viewing purpose. We'll go to needle 1. I'll move the head over so you can actually view in here. Here's our switch for our laser light. When this is pressed, that turns it on. Press it again, turns it off. And this feature is for viewing when you trace your design to make sure it fits inside your frame. So on the trace feature, we have two different styles. We can do the border check. Does a square in the frame. Second one is the outline. That's this one. And this is the one that I usually train people to use, is the outline. It's a little more accurate for your inside parameter of your frame.
Another great feature is the built-in light. You turn it on and off like this.
We have a flexible light here. You have a little rocker on-off switch. This turns it on and off. And what you want to do is point this down towards your sewing field here, or inside your frame for viewing when you do embroidery.
There's been a lot of light systems, but this lights up your entire sewing area and you'll be able to easily see everything you are doing. The light is standard on every Blue Sky. We've had a lot of customers worry about the sound of the commercial machine. But there's little to worry about, as you'll easily be able to hear and have a conversation as your machine is running. Our Blue Sky embroidery machine is one of the quietest on the market today. We worked hard to eliminate plastic parts in every important area of the Blue Sky, as we know plastic just doesn't hold up well to a hard-working machine. This means you'll have the quality machine that will run for years and years to come. Some of the greatest features of the biggest known brands were something we wanted to showcase on our Blue Sky embroidery machine, like the tension assembly post. This little notch in the post seems minor, but is truly a major key in smooth running embroidery. Plus, it prevents the thread from jumping out of the tension discs and causing you to have to rethread the machine. We want you to be running embroidery, not rethreading your machine. Another great feature the Blue Sky has is our thread pin holders. Just another tool for smoother embroidery and less chance of having to rethread the needle. The pin holder opens only for the needle about to sew, and the others remain closed so it keeps the thread in place. Of course there's a servo motor, a strong servo motor that can drive through several layers of thick leather, a Carhartt coat, several layers of vinyl as well. But you can also run freestanding lace and even silk on this wonderful machine. Big lettering to tiny lettering, satin stitches to tiny designs. You won't go wrong with a Blue Sky. Our Blue Sky has an electronic brake for the main shaft, which means the main shaft won't roll past 100 like it does on so many other brands. The 100 is a stopping position, and we wanted to upgrade and ensure less time working on your machine. The Blue Sky is a standalone machine, which means you don't have to hook it up to a computer to run it. No extra costs and features need to be purchased to be running embroidery. Our prices are priced and there's no hidden fees. There's 3 USB ports, so all you do is you use a USB thumb drive to load your designs into the machine and away you go, kicking product and generating income. You may think you don't need a 50-needle embroidery machine, but how many times have you looked at a project and wished you could do that? With the Blue Sky, you can do all those projects and even more. If you piece together a smaller brand machine, it will often cost you over $10,000. And you'll have a machine that still won't do all the awesome things that you can do with the Blue Sky. Save yourself money and be able to embroider on anything you want. Whether you hoop it, pin it, float it, clamp it, or hold it in place, you can do that on a Blue Sky embroidery machine. Whether you are a full-time business running 24/7 to a part-time hobbyist, the Blue Sky will be perfect for you. Our Blue Sky is a quality machine with a lifespan of 10 years. Our machine is not measured in stitches, and with proper maintenance and care, your machine could live much longer. We even fully test our machines before they go out to the door, and the machine is shipped directly to you, even if you're residential. With the Blue Sky, the standard package 1 includes the stand, the hat system, 12 green hoops, the tabletop and sash frame, toolbox with some spare parts and some tools, starter's kit with 15 cones of 5,000 meter glide thread, the best thread on the market and USA made, 35 needles, 15 bobbins, a roller stabilizer, oil pen, snips, and a needle alignment tool. We have always worked to go further with our customers than any other company out there that we know of. We offer free training. We do so online, so you can get the training you need from the luxury of being in front of your own machine. Unless you want to come to Florida, we do train in-house as well. Free customer service, free YouTube videos, free Blue Sky teaching group once you purchase a machine, free monthly classes online that are live so you can participate and ask questions. We want to be there for you. With Advantage Inc., you are never alone. When you purchase a Blue Sky embroidery machine, you not only get a great machine, but you get a family. Let's face it, a machine is only as good as the customer service you get, and that is where we excel. I'm Jessie. I answer the phones, and emails too. And I get Doug whenever you need him. Email, call, message us. We try to always be there. Even our phone numbers have been in place since 2002. We're a company you can count on. The most important part is we teach you how to correctly run, diagnose, and repair your machine. We work directly with you to make sure you learn the proper way the first time. Doug had to go behind so many other techs who are not training properly and help people fix their issues. There's a reason so many have talked about Doug and Jessie. You can count on us.